Hey guys, just a quick disclaimer. These taillights were given to me for free by a company called Loyo LED. They reached out and said they liked our videos and wanted to have us make a couple of videos of their products and review them. So that said, that's not going to bias my opinion in any way of these lights, and I'm going to give you guys the facts on whether or not I like them. So yeah, here you go. What's going on, everyone? 413 Bros back with another video. So today we're going to be replacing our Harbor Freight LED taillights with these guys that Loyo LED provided us. So super pumped on that. We're going to be reaching in under our rubber shield, feeling for the connector that's in here. Somewhere here. There it is. Pretty gross, all covered in mud. So now that that is free, we're gonna go ahead and loosen these guys. Really hoping that these look really good. I love the styling of them. I will say these Harbor Freight taillights have done me pretty good. So a little bit that I've had them, I've loved the brightness out of them. So we shall see. So, back in frame, pop our cover off. So we have our white ground wire, and we have 1, 2, 3, 10 mils. I'm going to be fixing this bodywork in the spring. I've only had this a few months, and I had to do quite a bit of mechanical work to it. So the cosmetics kind of got put to the back burner. Imagine what it looks like under here. Actually, not bad, which is extremely surprising. So what we're gonna do is feed our plug through, just like that. All right, guys. So now that we have that out, what I'm doing is looking to see what wires are gonna get connected to what. So this black wire comes through to the factory harness, and that is our black wire with our yellow stripe. That is going to be connected to our yellow wire on the new tail lights. And the reverse light, which is green, runs down into this purple wire with a black stripe. That's going to go to the white wire on our new tail lights. And the red wire on our new tail lights is going to be connected to this purple and red wire. So I'm going to do that off camera. All I'm going to do is, with our ground, I'm going to add a terminal like this, and I'm just going to heat shrink to these, and we're going to be good to go. We are back. Got our wiring done, heat shrinked. These connectors are amazing. They're heat shrink on the outside, and in the middle is a solder ring that melts. Love these. I'll link them below if you guys are interested. So one thing I will note, I did clean this up, and there's 3 10mm nuts that come on here. When you try to fit these on as is, they do not fit. So I'm gonna just make a notation of that, so you guys are aware. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean these up quick with a step bit. All right. So what we're gonna do is feed our plug in, and we're going to take our ground and just stick it on one of these posts. So I opened these up and went 2 holes, 2 sizes bigger, these holes are now 1/4 inch. So if you have a 1/4 inch drill bit, you can just go ahead and hit these quickly or use a step bit. Not that big of a deal. Goes right in now. I'm gonna come down below. And I just did that live, so I haven't tested them at all. We're just gonna go for it, guys. That is plugged in. And you do need to put the 3 10mm bolts on. So there are 3 10mm nuts. I'm gonna do that now. All right, guys, there you go. So I did do the other side because it's obviously the same thing. As you can see. Flashers work. The brakes work. All right, guys, taillights are on. I'm gonna go inside and cycle through the different lighting just to show you what it looks like. I guess the only complaint that I have, and it doesn't look that way on camera, but that plate light is really not great. It looks better on camera than it does in person. So I guess that's my one complaint with these, but the light output is great. They're nice and bright. I love the styling of them. And yeah, I'm really happy. And the profile too is a lot smaller. It's probably an inch and a half more closer to the body than the factory lights or the LED lights that I took off. So, all right, guys. Well, I know it's dark, but I'm doing the outro now. We'll see you on the next one. Later.